Good day, tutor and partners. My name is Jersey Buitrago. Group number 212032230. Date April 2020. The importance of understanding valuation and negotiation of technology to contribute to solve the problem of digital transformation in Colombia. We can mention the importance of valuing and negotiation technology and how valuable knowledge was acquired through the different activities. They help and understand what tools we have and what we can contribute to solving the problems of digital transformation in our country. Technology assessment is an analysis that consists of valuing information, knowledge, and the results of the impact the technology has on organization. It is also a key mechanism in decision-making process where financial and technical components are incorporated. It also seeks to determine the maximum economic benefit through the use of information effectively through technological tools and methods, allowing a base of still benefit by utilizing evaluate information. Finally, it is important to mention that technological values offer the possibility for companies to evaluate the knowledge used in the production, distribution, and use of goods and services. This is in order to adapt and anticipate change. In addition to implementing technologies that are friendly to the environment in order to gain a competitive advantage over its competitor with still do not see sustainability. As a link in technological management, nor as one on their business objectives, but as part of corporate social responsibility. Thank you.